Are you wondering which tool, Copy.ai or Grammarly, is truly better for writing quality? Well, you're in the right place. These two platforms claim to be the go to solutions for improving your writing, but each has its own strengths and weaknesses. Stick around to the end because, after testing both, I'll share a better alternative that I believe delivers even more value for your writing needs. First thing we need to address is the core purpose of these tools. Copy.ai is a powerful AI driven writing assistant designed to generate content quickly. Whether it's blog posts, product descriptions, or even email templates, Copy.ai helps you kickstart the creative process. Its focus is on speed and ease of use, generating ideas in just a few clicks. But does this translate into high quality writing? Not always. While it can generate ideas or start points fast, the overall quality sometimes lacks depth or originality. And for those looking for a polished, final draft, it may need significant revisions. Next thing is Grammarly, which is a writing tool focused mainly on editing and improving existing content. Unlike Copy.ai, Grammarly doesn't generate new content, but helps you enhance what you've written. It checks grammar, punctuation, style, and even tone. It's fantastic at catching spelling mistakes and awkward phrasing, which Copy.ai doesn't always get right. However, Grammarly isn't perfect either. While it excels at grammatical checks, its suggestions can sometimes feel mechanical or rigid, and in more complex cases, it might miss nuanced issues like context or flow. Now, let's talk about ease of use. Copy.ai wins here for anyone who needs quick, automated content generation. You input a few prompts, and within seconds, you've got paragraphs to work with. For beginners or content creators with time constraints, it's a game changer. But for writing that requires a more structured, refined approach, Grammarly's comprehensive feedback on sentence structure and readability can provide more long-term benefits. It's more like a coach than a generator. The fourth thing to note is how each tool handles creativity. Copy.ai, being an AI tool, works well for sparking creativity. It's great for brainstorming new ideas or pushing past writer's block. But let's be honest, sometimes the results feel generic. You might need to tweak the output significantly to make it truly your own. Grammarly, on the other hand, doesn't generate ideas, but it helps you refine your writing in a way that can elevate your creativity. The feedback might push you to be more precise with your words, helping you craft better, more creative sentences. Now, let's talk value. Copy.ai does offer a free trial, but it's limited in scope and you'll need to pay for full features. Grammarly's free version is powerful for basic grammar checks, but if you want access to its premium tools, like tone detection or advanced style suggestions, you'll have to pay for that as well. Both have subscription fees that can add up, especially if you're using them regularly. Here's the twist. While Copy.ai and Grammarly are both great tools, neither is perfect. After testing both myself, I have to say there's an even better alternative for anyone serious about improving their writing quality. If you want more comprehensive support and an AI-driven assistant that's tailored to your needs, I'd recommend checking out the link in the description. With a free trial, you get exclusive benefits that aren't available anywhere else, and I'm confident you'll find it's the better option for your writing goals. In conclusion, both Copy.ai and Grammarly are solid tools, but depending on your needs, one may suit you better than the other. However, if you're looking for a truly effective solution for improving writing quality, take advantage of the offer in the description. The software in that link is what I personally recommend for anyone serious about writing, and it will elevate your content to new heights.